Hey guys, it's EToH, and today I'm going to be playing Tower Flame Restoration. I don't know where it is exactly, I'm just going to go start playing it. Oh, it's next to Todai. Oh, that's kill bricks. Ow. Anyways, here we go. I guess we start outside the tower, kind of. Start by playing outside the tower. Oh, that's a balloon. Okay then, interesting. Here we go. Got an X pusher. This tower is long, so this might take me a while, unfortunately. But it's alright. I got some speed. What's this? Oh, alright. Alright, some neat gameplay. Going this way. This way it says? Or up here. Oh, I almost failed that for some reason. Alright, I'm just going to be going through the gameplay based off of what I see. Alright, button. Oh, 40 seconds to do what? Go over here. Oh, I honestly got no clue. Oh, over here. Oh, there's a key up there. 3 seconds. Oh, wait, what in the world? A timed key? What in the world? That's weird. Oh, well, it opened that, I guess. And we got a zip line. Ooh. Alright. This thing, it bounces me upwards. And I assume this one will too. Yep. And that. Alright, floor 2. Nice. Not that bad, but it kind of is at the same time. Because that was like 100 seconds. Cannon. Oh, launches me in the direction now. Alright then. Alright, up here. Alright, all the way to the lighter green, I guess, because it looks like it's 3 colors, yeah. Alright. Why does that open if there's nothing there? Okay, where'd it go? What? Oh, that's why it opened. That makes sense. Alright then. Oh, you jump up, I guess. Yep, that makes sense. Down here and this way. Alright, so yeah, this tower is going to take a while because it's a long tower. Usually I'm not that fast when completing each tower, so it might even take me 30 minutes. But it's okay. I guess I go the opposite direction. Oh, that makes sense. Up to here and across, I guess. Makes sense. This way. Oh, I just go back. Alright then. Teleport YouTube. Okay, I don't want to get teleported to a previous section, because I want to beat this as fast as possible. Now that I know it's not just some normal kill brick, I can actually, not mess up my progress. Alright, here we are on floor 3. It's already taken me a while to get here. Like, about 2 minutes per floor so far. So that's gonna suck. Down here. Go back to floor 2 for like 1 second. Oh, whoa. They're spinning me in weird directions. What in the world? So I go back. This is so weird. Down here. What does that do? I guess it just indicates which way it's spinning, I guess. I don't really know. Alright then. Not too bad. Oh, I'm supposed to use that to jump up. Nice. Alright. Ah, that's not good. Stop hurting me. Oh, I just bumped my head. That could have been bad, and I could have fallen. And you know, you don't want to fall. Alright, this tower just takes you all over the place, I guess. What is this, a flame button? Also, like... Well, not a flame button, but a flame is needed or something to go past. That's gonna be something interesting, I guess. On solid. Alright then. It also goes for smooth plastic and killed spinners. Alright. Oh, don't slip there. Down here. Boing. Alright, not that bad, not that bad. Alright, cool. I don't know what I just resetted. Oh, that could be reset because you move it around. Makes sense. Oh, and it's been 6 minutes already and I'm on floor 4. Probably about halfway through floor 4 though. I'm not sure. Oh, it gives me some jump height. So I can go there. And then that way. Oh, now I gotta get rid of it. Alright. Alright, why is it so thin in the middle? 20 damage. Oh no. Wait, it says what else? Is spawn. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think I see why it's named Flame Restoration now. Oh wow, yeah, very, very kind. You're gonna give me like, oh, I'm dying really fast. That's not good. Right, try your best to avoid them, I guess. These are meant to be avoided. Yep, I see where the name comes in now. Yep, just jump there. Alright, that works. Oh, no, that's gonna be something else, isn't it? I don't know what that's gonna be. Oh, it's this. Well, that was like 3 seconds. How'd you even get there? Oh, from the other side, yeah. Anyways, back on floor 4. I'm about to finish it. Oh, yeah, they can't quite false. Forgot about that. Alright, nice. Okay, cool.
International Airlines, Flight 117A to Sweet Sweet Canyon, departing from Gate 3.
What was that? Oh. That's interesting. Now I think about it, there's probably going to be quite a bit of copyright music, so rest in peace, I guess. Like, even this might be copyrighted, I have no clue. Oh, nice, so neat. Oh, this one. Alright, then. Cool. Alright, around and jump. It's pretty neat that there's like split colored floors. You can call these like A sides and B sides technically. And it would still like apply, I guess. Oh, there we go. Floor 6. That's about halfway through the tower. So I'd say I'm on good pace to beat this in 20 minutes. Oh, I want to go out here. Reasonable, reasonable. Oh, it's just beat blocks. Alright, and don't have your camera outside. What in the world? I almost failed that. Nice. Cool. Oh, that is neat. Actually, it's not even that bad. You don't even have to jump. They just take you with them. Oh no! Oh no, oh no, oh no. What was time there exactly? Like 3 jumps? Oh, wait, no, no. Okay, cool. That's kind of scary. Straight to the end. Nice. Right then. This way. Oh, we got these balloons again. Oh, that's neat. Actually pretty cool. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, what? Down here?
The final boarding call for Boomerang Road International Airlines.
Okay, over here. Falling here will send you back to Pier 6, right? Cool. Over here. This way. Oh, to this thing. Yeah, avoid all the fire kill bricks. They're like evil and stuff. Clearly. This is just a whole new section now. Oh, I just put my camera through the roof, yes. Okay. Oh. That's weird. Anyways, this way. This is floor 7 now, I'm pretty sure. Alright, where do you go that way? Okay, just jump on time. Oh, we jump back over there. Alright, then. Quite confusing. Yeah, I'm probably not beating this within 20 minutes. Oh, what in the world? What in the world? Why is that fast? Oh wait, this is... Wow, that's the one that's in like that old FE2 map. Jungle Inferno, I believe. Same music that's in that map. To where though? There. Yeah, nice. Okay. Alright, this way. And around here. Over here, it's going in circles. Interesting. Alright. Oh, one of these again, but I gotta jump off early enough to where I wouldn't get stuck. Elevator sparkles carry you in the direction of the sparkles, so I want to get around there. Alright, up here to floor 8. Yes, floor 8. There's lava now. That's concerning. Yeah, I guess they're just kill bricks now. That way. Oh, what in the world? Oh, these are fire ones. That's not good. These are fire lava bricks? What? This is getting confusing now. Oh, what? This looks dangerous. Oh, okay then. Oh, okay, wow. Rude. This way. Oh, is this another split color floor? It is. Interesting. They have like a trail behind them. Alright. Alright, that's a safe spot. Alright, this is just spinning fast, so I gotta jump off to there. And around here. How'd they split the color of the truss? I don't even know. Ah, I jumped at the worst time there. Luckily, it's just a normal kill brick. Now I'm above something really scary. I guess I can go either way here and bounce up. But don't fall! No! What in the world? No! Dang it. Ah, now I gotta spend all this time getting back there. No. Alright, it's gonna probably take me like at least 3 minutes to get back there. Probably longer, actually, because it's just a long tower. Well, rest in peace. I don't think there's that much buddy progress either, so that sucks. Wow. Oh, that's how I was supposed to get up there. Makes sense. Alright, floor 4. Oh, floor 6. No, floor 5. Floor 6 is the next one, yeah.
International Airlines, Flight 117A to Sweet Sweet Canyon, departing from E23.
Oh, that sucks a lot. Is there a way to get back up there from here, or do I have to just, like, continue going normally? Probably have to go normal. Are you kidding me? What was that? Yeah, I'm still on the button, that's why. Wow, that's just annoying. Dang it. I fell so far. Why did I fail that twice? Can I stop failing it now, please? Thanks. Dang it. Oh, well now that's a fire kill. That sucks. These are fire kill bricks now too, so now I have to be careful. I can't even get straight there. Still gotta redo all this. So that just buffs the previous parts as well. Why? Why would you ever do that, bro? It sucks. Maybe there was a way to just get back there straight away. I don't know, though. Oh, floor 6. gonna take me way too long to get back there. I'll just jump straight there like I did earlier. Oh, that's how I'm supposed to do that. Okay, why is that the shortest button time section ever? You have like unlimited time to spare. Can I just skip this? Almost. Maybe, actually. Probably, actually. Yep. Easy. What is that? I skipped 3 seconds? Yeah, very worth it. What if there just was a way to get here more easily?
For Boomerang Grove International Airlines, Flight 117A to Sweet Sweet
Yeah, it brings me all the way there. I don't see any other way I'm supposed to get over here. Yeah, I had to redo all that. So now I'm actually gonna get back there when my timer hits like 25 minutes. Are you kidding me? Bro. So I lose about a minute of progress. Thanks a lot. Yep, I love losing a lot of progress. That's really fun. Why is there like 0 button progress? And I slipped and I have to redo this part now. Yay!
Flight 117A.
Please, there's just a way to skip that, please, man. Like, I just want to finish this tower. Now I might just start loop failing because of how annoying it is. What was the point of making those flame blocks and can't even get to there, all the way out there from there? Is there a way? I mean, I'll check again. Doesn't look like it at all, no. What's all that for? Why is there a hanging thing? Maybe if I could momentum jump. Wow, that actually gave me progress. That's crazy. That's probably not a way to recover, but it's something you can do. Can I just wrap that, bro? I just want to go. Alright, no more rushing. You just gotta chill out and go with the flow. Oh, I almost failed that because, like, that moves so suddenly. Okay, why are you going away from me? Hey, let me do the skip, please. Thank you. Nope, I messed up again. I know how to do it, though. You know what? I'm just not going to do it. It was funny, but it's not optimal. What does that button even do? Like, I'm pretty sure it does nothing. What's the point of that? Yeah, I don't see any point. That's like completely pointless. back here now. Yippee.
This is the final boarding call for Boomerang.
Ow, that's not good. Took a lot of damage. And I was having quite a bit of fun until I failed that. Because now redoing this is kind of unfun. So may I please not fail again? Thanks. Alright, finally over here. Back on this floor. I'm one floor away from the thing. The floor I failed. How did I fail the final part of that? Like, it must have been the final jump. Because I literally saw the next floor's first platform. Either that or it was the second last jump. Not sure though. Well, ignoring that. Just gonna keep trying to get back there. Alright, here we go. Alright, this is finally back to floor 8. Wow, all that just for getting back to floor 8. Took me an extra like 10 minutes. Because it's so easy to get back to the floor you're on. This is like the only button progress I've seen throughout this whole tower room. There's almost no button progress. Why? I got no clue. And I got teleported back. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Oh, why? Why did I bounce? Why, game? Why do you love being like terrible physics? Why? Why terrible physics? Why not good physics? Why does the physics have to equal bad? We're making this equal good and no one will complain. There we go. Alright, finally back to this final inside section. I already hit that. Hit it. I already hit that. I failed that? Really? That's what I failed? Wow. Floor 9, finally. Looks like it won't even be sub 30. Okay, what? What? Why is that cool, but like not cool at the same time? And And my recording is like 30 minutes now. To that, alright. Is that a button on it? I think it is. Oh, I hit it. Alright, now I gotta go that way. Alright, nice. Why is this song so intense? Oh. Oh, I want another one of these. 60 seconds to make it to the end of this outside. Oh. This outside. Alright then. Nah, I got it. Now I got it. Okay. That would have just been good to go get that first and then go start outside. Oh, what in the world? Okay, bro, what? This is actually crazy. Or jump for it? And jump this way. That is not good. Oh, okay. 3 torches scatter across this floor once you find. Okay. Oh, so I finally have button progress. Wow, great. That's actually good. But why couldn't there be any button progress earlier? We'll find 3 torches. Well, I assume I need something like that for that. Oh. Okay, that was weird. Oh, wow, really? That's really cool. Like, you just teleported me straight onto it, I almost, like, you could probably slip if you're not careful. Alright, now it's this outside thing. Okay, what? Now to where? This way? Nice. Okay, what? Nah. Alright, back here. Nice. I think I'm approaching the finale now. Here we go. Yeah, it's an elevator, alright. Okay, I didn't even really touch that, but whatever. Okay, I clicked jump, whatever. Apparently there's button progress, so I'm not too mad now. Where's that button progress? I got no idea. Can you move, bro? Yep, if I jumped, I would have just lost some progress. I don't know. This is like the worst button progress ever. In like half of this parts. Is this supposed to be a staircase, but it just sucks? Like, what is that supposed to be? Alright, where's that button progress you mentioned? Excuse me, game. Where's the button progress to speak of? Really? I haven't seen any yet. Is it the final outside of this floor then? That's the button progress? Is that what you're implying? Ah, yes, here we go. Oh, that's the button progress? Just... This isn't button progress? Alright then, whatever. You know what? Never mind. At least there's button progress right there. Although it's minuscule, it exists. Oh, I was supposed to jump there, then back. Well, that was it, I guess. That's neat. Okay, you just have a fire symbol there. Sure. Yep, almost failed that again because like it's so well made. And actually jump this time, please, thanks. Alright, this way. Alright, final section. Looks like whatever this is. Over that, around here, and boom! That's the win. Alright, yay, guys, I win. Alright, that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.